This is your test review on area, circumference, and perimeter. Number one, find the area of a trapezoid if the height is 11 and the bases are 10 and 2. Here's your formula. Generally, the formula is half the height times the sum of the bases, but if you wanted to do half the bases times the height, it doesn't matter. You can multiply in any order you want. What is important is that you do this in parentheses first. So here you see I've plugged in the height for H and the two bases for my two B's. Now I must follow order of operations and make sure I do 10 plus 12 before I multiply this grouping times anything out here. I can go ahead and say half of 11 is 5.5 if I want, but I can't multiply anything times this grouping until I say 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay, now half of 12 is 6, and 6 times 11 is 66. So the answer is the area of that trapezoid is 66 square units. Number two, area of a triangle if the height is 11 and the base is 12. Formula for a triangle is half the base times the height. The base is 12, the height is 11. Half of 12 is 6, and 6 times 11 is 66. So the answer is 66 square units. Number three, area of a parallelogram which has a height of 11 and a base of 24. Parallelogram, the formula for area is area equals base times height or length times width. Plug 24 in for your base, 11 for your height. 24 times 11 gives you an answer of 264 square units. Number four, find the area of a circle if the diameter is 20. Formula for area of a circle is pi r squared. R stands for radius. I'm given the diameter, which is all the way across the circle. So I need to cut that diameter in half to get the radius halfway across the circle. Half of 20 is 10. Follow order of operations, do exponents before multiplication. 10 squared is 100. And 100 times pi we can do in our head because multiplying by 100 is doing the decimal to the right two places. I know pi is 3.14. Two places to the right is 314 square units. Number five, same circle has a diameter of 20. This time, instead of finding the area, we're finding the circumference. Find the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 20. Circumference of a circle is pi d, pi times the diameter. So plug 20 in for your diameter, and 20 times pi we can probably do in our head. Pi is 3.14. 10 times 3.14 is 31.4. I can double that to 62.8. So that one could be done in your head if you're pretty good at math in your head. And this is not square units. This is just units. Area is always square units. Circumference or perimeter is not. Number six, find the perimeter of a rectangle with a height of 8 and a width of 5. On rectangles, the two bases are the same and the two heights are the same, or the two heights are the same and the two widths are the same. Rectangle, formula for perimeter is twice the length plus twice the width, or twice the height plus twice the base. Does not matter, they're interchangeable. As long as I plug 8 in for one and 5 in for other and follow order of operations, multiply first, you get 16 plus 10, then you add, you get 26. And this is not area, so it's not square units, it's just units. Now, same problem could have been given like this. The rectangle has a perimeter of 26, a height of 8, you find the width. So we'd have put 26 in the place of P, 8 in the place of height or length, and we would have solved the equation for W. And that is your test review on area, perimeter, and circumference. Thank you.